everyone, Izzy back from Tech Tire and Wheel. So we all know when that annoying warning light goes off on the dashboard, it means that we have one or more low tires. But how does the system know the tire is low? There are two main types of tire pressure monitoring systems, direct and indirect. The most common type of TPMS is direct. Direct TPMS uses a sensor inside the tire wheel assembly. This sensor directly measures the actual pressure inside the tire and communicates it to the vehicle's computer. Most direct TPMS sensors are attached to a rubber or aluminum valve stem. This makes them very easy to service and replace. With some older Ford vehicles, you may find that the direct TPMS sensor is attached to the drop center of the wheel using a metal band. The other type of TPMS is indirect. Indirect systems use the vehicle's ABS sensors to calculate wheel speed. As a tire loses pressure, the diameter of the tire will decrease, causing the tire wheel assembly to spin faster to keep up with the other tires. Indirect TPMS detects the difference in rotational speed to indicate to the vehicle's computer that one or more of the tires is underinflated. There's advantages and disadvantages to both types of systems. Direct systems provide greater accuracy even as tires are rotated or replaced. Indirect systems are generally less expensive, however, they must be reset after adjusting inflation or rotating tires. And indirect systems can be unreliable as tires wear or if you purchase larger or smaller tires. We hope you enjoyed learning more about the different types of TPMS and how they monitor tire pressure. For more information on TPMS, tire repair, and wheel service, visit techtirerepairs.com.